Are you under peer pressure? First of all, let us know what exactly is peer pressure. Come on, let us know about it. Wanting to feel a part of something can put pressure on you to act in certain ways. You could be experiencing peer pressure if you are acting in certain ways because you want to be accepted by people you hang out with. It's like you are working for gaining acceptance and not going as per your own interests. There are many ways in which peer pressure can influence an individual. It can influence the way you dress or wear your hair, the activities you get involved in, the music you listen to, your decisions about using drugs and alcohol. If your friend circle is into drug abuse, you can get involved into the same due to peer pressure. But remember to go according to your own choices, not as per your friends' choices. It can also influence who you date or who you're friends with. Peer pressure can be divided into direct peer pressure and indirect peer pressure. In the direct peer pressure, someone tells you what you should be doing directly. It's like someone says you to get into proper shape by being on diet, which you yourself don't want to do. In indirect peer pressure, your group of friends might do certain activities together that you are unlikely to do outside of that group. Now, there is something called as self-motivated pressure, in which you are putting pressure on yourself to fit in with your friendship group because of certain standards they have set or the comments they have made. Some examples of peer pressure include the pressure to bully, pressure to diet or body build, pressure to take drugs or alcohol, and also pressure to have sex these days. Peer pressure is not so uncommon, therefore, one must handle it. Some ways to handle it are like pursue your own interests, like do whatever you want to do, go as per your choices, not as per choice of the people surrounding you. Say no whenever needed. Don't judge, and remember, friends don't have to agree on everything. Choose things for yourself. Don't let anybody else do that for you. This was about peer pressure. Tell us about your ways to handle peer pressure in the comment section. For more such videos, follow us on our Instagram page, Serve on Solution.